Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to the third chapter of Thirukkural, an ancient Tamil text that explores various aspects of human life and morality. This chapter will delve into the glory of those who have relinquished. The term relinquished refers to those who have given up worldly desires and attachments and have attained a higher level of spiritual consciousness. Such individuals are revered in many traditions, and Thirukkural celebrates their greatness. This chapter consists of 10 verses, each extolling the virtues and benefits of leading a life of detachment and renunciation. These verses teach us that true happiness and peace come not from accumulating wealth or possessions but from letting go of them and turning inward toward our souls. By following the path of detachment, one can experience the true essence of life, unencumbered by the distractions and illusions of the world. Join us as we explore the wisdom of Thirukkural's third chapter and discover the glory of those who have relinquished. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural insights.